I know you want to join a free ride. Just keep on pushing my limits. Let's go.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Wolfie here and I'm back with a brand new video. Today's video is going to be how to do a DIY $3.99 Kash doll look with synthetic braiding hair. If you guys are liking the look so far, make sure you stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. This look is so cute, affordable, and simple, y'all. Anyone can do it. All you need are these items in the list above to do this hairstyle, and make sure you stay tuned for the ending. Let's get into it. What's up, y'all? So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. First thing I'm going to do is brush my hair with some water just to revive my hair back. And then I'm going to use this pattern leave-in conditioner and put that all over my hair just to make sure I get some extra moisture in it. Then I'm going to use this Edge Booster fitting gel. This is a styling gel. I recommend this so much, but I also recommend that you dilute it with water. Like, put your hand under the sink before you put it on your hair, because diluting the gel helps prevent white casting when it dries up and flaking a few days later, because this gel does do it, but it has a really great hold. So what I'm going to do now is section my hair into two parts. I'm going to put the first part in a ponytail, make sure that my hair is slick and combed and brushed back. If you need to, you can add bobby pins. This is what it looks like. And then afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair just to make sure that's also straight. And then I'm going to combine the two and put some more gel, and I'm going to brush it up and glide it upward towards the bun, and then I'm going to add a ponytail and make that into one ponytail. So now your hair is going to be all slick, it's going to be good. Then you're going to seal it with Spritz and Got To Be glue, y'all. This is a serious bold hold. I don't usually touch my hair or it starts frizzing or moving until literally a week later if you put enough. But don't put a lot to the point where your hair is like completely like frozen. That's why I only put like a small amount of Got To Be glue, brush it out, and then the Spritz just make sure that it holds into place. So that's like my favorite hairspray combination. Alright, so after that, we're just going to blow dry our hair so our hair can stay in place and so our hairspray can set. After we're done with that, we're going to wrap our hair up in a scarf just so again it can stay in place when we work on our DIY ponytail. So this is the braiding hair that I have today. It's the Expressions Premium 52-inch 1B in color braiding hair from Outre. And it comes with 3 bundles, y'all. This hair is actually super soft, nice and shiny, so I recommend it. It's only $3.99. The only thing you're going to need for a ponytail is a rubber band and some braiding hair. Alright, so let's get into it. So I'm going to take off the rubber band that comes with the bundles, and I'm going to section off small, keyword small sections from the braiding hair. The smaller the section, the better it is. And I'm just going to, as you can see, loop the hair around the rubber band. Just like that, creating a knot. And you're just going to repeat that all over the rubber band, and then you will get a full DIY ponytail. So I'm just going to repeat the steps, and voila. Alright, y'all, so we just finished the ponytail. Literally, you can see all the loops in between. I used all 3 bundles of the braiding hair. And now we're just going to apply the ponytail, and we're also going to cut it. You could have the option of leaving your ponytail out, or you can just turn it into a bun. And that's what I'm going to do, so I can make like the band of the hair, like we wrap it around into a band. That's how I'll have it. So I'm going to do that real quick. I just want the rubber bands that was out of the hair bundles to wrap that around because I'm running out. how we're gonna wrap the hair around. So you just apply like a regular ponytail, literally. I'm gonna loop it around twice, and I'm gonna pull the hair up. Okay. So literally, this is just a regular ponytail. You know, just literally a regular ponytail. So once we wrap the hair around, it's gonna look so much better and secure, for real, for real. You can go ahead and put bobby pins in if you need to. Okay, let's do the bands around the hair. So of course I'm gonna take at least one, I'm probably gonna take 2 sections from the ponytails. So we try to cover up any of the knots on the ponytail. Alright, so that's one wrapping around. That's just the bottom. We just secured the bottom piece. Now I'm going to take another section of the hair and wrap it around on top of the first band that I created, so I can make sure that it looks like a high ponytail. Okay, so we have the top knot here. I'm going to secure it with some gratin. Okay, so actually I realized that I wasn't going to cut the hair. I was really just going to pin it up so I can get a fuller look, and that's what I'm like figuring out right now as we speak. And I'll explain it again in a moment. Y'all probably gonna think I'm weird for not cutting, okay? The reason why I'm not gonna cut this hair is because I feel like by using 2 strands to do the band, it's giving me less hair now, because I only had 1 pack of braiding hair. So this is really just like a quick tutorial for y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna take this rubber band, y'all. Y'all would think like this is a weird way to do this hairstyle, but truthfully speaking, no. The reason why I'm doing it this way is because I've realized if I cut it, then I'm losing a lot of hair, and I want this hair to be thick enough to look like a full ponytail, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a regular black rubber band and just have the hair together, and I'm going to bobby pin it to the back of my head. And that's gonna be the hairstyle, y'all. Like, no cutting, no mess, no heat whatsoever, okay? Literally, I haven't bobby pinned it yet, so give me one moment. I use a large bobby pin. There you go. That's the hairstyle. So a cute little princess cut. Little Kash doll vibes. And yeah, well, like, that's literally it. Like, if I had time right now, I'd do my edges, but again, y'all, this is the look. Because I was rushing because I was going out that day, I did not film a whole 360 of the hairstyle, so sorry. Here are some photos and videos of me with the hairstyle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, y'all. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. But here's a word of God for y'all. Alright, this is a quick message for anybody who's watching my story. I just want to say this, y'all. Let God show you who you are. Because in this society, we're getting brainwashed to think everything bad, bruh. Everything wrong. Everything opposite. So you really can't really see how powerful you really are as a human being, and how much love God is putting in you, and how much greatness you have, because your potential is getting overshadowed by darkness. He is the light. Call on the Lord to invite him in, and invite him into your heart, because once you do that, he will never leave you. He will never forsake you. His love is undeniable. He is so forgiving, and he is so loving. If you think you're struggling with anything, just invite him in your heart. He'll have you, and he'll make you better. I guarantee it.